Donde and adonde can both be translated as where. Adonde implies that someone or something is moving towards a particular place. In other words, adonde is used in the sense of to where. For example, where are we going tomorrow? This phrase implies movement, so we can use adonde. ¿A dónde vamos mañana? It is also possible to write a dónde separately. ¿A dónde vamos mañana? As Real Academia Española, an institution overseeing the Spanish language, says, donde can also be used when movement is implied, although a dónde is more frequently used. However, if there is no movement implied, we can only use donde. The phrase where is the store does not imply any movement, so we use donde. ¿Dónde está la tienda? In the phrase where do you live, should we use donde or a dónde? Pause if you need more time. Since the phrase where do you live doesn't imply any movement, we should use donde. ¿Dónde vives? Now we know what donde and adonde mean, but what does de donde mean? De donde means from where and is used to ask about the origin or source of someone or something. For example, de donde eres means where are you from? De donde vienen los bebés means where do babies come from? ¿De dónde vienen los bebés? Summary: donde and adonde can both be translated as where. Adonde is used in the sense of to where. Donde can also be used in the sense of to where, but is most commonly used when no movement is implied. De donde can be translated as from where.